Dumelang Mshini, hi, welcome back to Mzansi Overloaded 2.0 with me, your girl, Itumeleng. Kiyatshepa le tlo itumela. So, let's get into the shenanigans. We need to congratulate Nkosazana daughter for buying a Porsche. Hayi le yabo uyibuy cars, hey. Anginayo ne, mara angisho leyo. Bought a Porsche at the age of 25. Congratulations. Clearly industry yabhadala hleli kunemali kwi-music uNkosi mara wawanqintsha ivoice ngabe nami sengibhizi ngishaya zikaNkosazana daughter, but anyway, it's not about me. And I think the car is 1 million up there, yeah, 1.3 million, I'm not sure, but yeah, these are million mali eningi leyo. You know, people, instead of congratulating her, they're gonna find something to talk about. People are concerned about her texting and driving. I mean, do we have a Porsche? Do we have a Porsche saying she's reckless? Although we don't condone such behaviors, because at the end of the day, she's a public figure and that video is going to reach out to a lot of people, which will make it acceptable. Which, okay, you can drive and text at the same time. Do I think that was supposed to be made a big issue? No. I feel like her buying a car at the age of 25, a branded car like that, a luxurious car like that, should be something that we are currently focusing on, congratulating her. Because right now, you are taking that spotlight away from her, because now the focus is no longer on the car, but the focus is on what she did wrong. Yes, I get it. She was reckless and all, but she was excited at the end of the day. And sometimes when you are too excited, you don't know how to behave. You know, as you can see, someone was recording her. Now you busy. Busy. She's excited. She's never seen such things happen, because she didn't even believe maybe angafika kuleyo point whereby she's buying a Porsche at 25. As she was busy exclaiming and mentioning, was it buying a Porsche at 25? She is in so much disbelief. But anyways, congratulations to her. Another news, we saw Umakhadzi with her Benz and Bliss Boy at Cape Town, and they are enjoying. The vibes are beautiful. But the only thing is that if Bliss Boy is here to just, use Umakhadzi so that she can get her music going, so that she can build a brand, such a sad situation, because Umakhadzi, you can see that she's been hurt by love, by Master KG, by the other guy she was dating. So kuzoba Bliss Boy manja watung. You can see that Umakhadzi is a gone girl. She's so in love with Bliss Boy. But Bliss Boy, do I trust him? I don't trust Bliss Boy, and I know it's none of my business, but anyway, ngiyakhuluma because I have the freedom of speech. Do I think that Bliss Boy is here for the right reason? Asazi, only time can tell. You can't judge a person by his looks, because at the end of the day, if you're going to judge Bliss Boy and say Bliss Boy is playing Umakhadzi, that is going to be said. It means like she criticized Umakhadzi, which Umakhadzi doesn't deserve Bliss Boy because of how Umakhadzi looks. Like, that's unfair. And I see a lot of people going on with this thing of, hey, Bliss Boy, this Bliss Boy, but I get where they're coming from. They're just concerned because they can see at the end of the day, we've seen how things ended up with Muhali, Somizi, Silo Makeka, with that young lady that he was dating. Things didn't end well. So obviously, people are going to be concerned about such situation, because it doesn't end well at the end of the day. So let's hope with Umakhadzi, she's smart, she's protecting herself, because at the end of the day, things like this, hey. And that's all I have for you today. Please don't leave without liking, commenting, and subscribing. See you next time. Bye, Yola.